Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holder? What's going on this time? Shiba Inu, after a very huge pump, you could see here minus 5.19% fails down, and definitely I will tell you, my friend, to upcoming time the Shiba Inu very huge dump is coming soon. This time you can see here 12.12%. It's really bad news, my friend, for all Shiba Inu coin holders. So I will clearly tell you, my friend, to Shiba Inu coin condition is gone more and more critical now. So please, if you want, my friends, to invest for a short time, definitely it's really good. But if you have any plan to invest for a long time in Shiba Inu coin, then don't worry, my friend. Absolutely, if you are new in a crypto, invest for a long time. I hope they will give you a profit. But if you are a short-term investor, then please urgently you will need to sell it in this time, because the price is going very badly down. And remember, this is not a temporary, my friends. This is not a temporary fail. Everybody try to understand, when someone promote this coin, just and only this coin will wake up. Otherwise this coin is completely going to garbage now. So therefore I cannot tell you, my friend, this coin is garbage. But please try to understand, holder. Absolutely, I will explain the reality now. So Shiba Inu condition is very critical now. I cannot advise my viewers, my subscriber, to buy it. Please try to understand. If you research, first of all, you research personally, but I just advise you. So kindly, holders, this time the Shiba Inu condition is very critical now, so please don't invest. And remember, my brothers, to win the price will starting moving upward, then you are starting investing. And if a price for fails down, so if you are already holder now, just only urgently sell it. I hope they will give you a profit. So my Shiba Inu coin holders, hope you understand something new from this video. But please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and keep touch with us. I hope you will earn a lot of money from crypto. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.